Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use Automation Center. This feature allows you to automatically assign learners to teams based on predefined rules. For example, if a learner's profile contains a specific job title, city, or another property, the system can automatically add them to the appropriate team without any manual action from the administrator. To open the Automation Center, go to the Academy settings and open the Automation section. This feature is available to users with the owner and administrator roles. On the main page, you'll see a list of all created rules, including their status, triggers, actions, and the number of learners already processed. You can also use the search option to quickly find a specific rule. To create a new rule, click Create Rule button. We recommend giving your rule a clear and descriptive name so it's easier to identify later. You can always rename it if needed. Each rule consists of two parts: when, the condition that determines when the rule should be triggered, and then, the action the system should perform. Let's start with the trigger. Click Add a Trigger button and select Property. Next, choose a user property. This can be either a system property, such as email, first name, or country, or one of your custom properties, such as job title, department, grade, etc., or any fields you've created. Then select one of the available operators: is, equals, is not, does not equal, is unknown, no value is assigned. For the is and is not operators, you must select a value. You can also add multiple triggers if needed. In that case, the system uses AND logic, meaning the rule will run only when all specified conditions are met at the same time. Now let's configure the action. Click Add an Action button and select Assign to Teams. Then search for the team. You can select one or multiple teams that learners should be automatically assigned to once they meet the rule conditions. Before saving the rule, we recommend using the Preview Learners Match the Rule button. This allows you to immediately see which learners currently match the role, helping you to identify that your configuration is correct before activating the automation. To activate the rule, enable the Active toggle and save your changes. After activation, the system will immediately perform the configured action for all learners who already meet the rule conditions. It will also continue checking new and updated learners automatically. An active rule is triggered immediately after it is activated when a new learner registers, after the learner completes the welcome pop-up window, and automatically every 30 minutes to scan the entire learner database. Once the rule is saved, the activity log becomes available. This log displays every instance when the rule has been applied to a learner. If a learner's profile changes and the rule is triggered again, the system creates a new log entry, allowing you to view the complete history of automation. You'll find also the audit log for administrators. The audit log records every change made to the rule itself, including who made the change, when it was made, and what exactly was modified. By clicking Show Details, you can compare the rule configuration before and after the changes. If you need to modify an existing rule, simply open it from the List from Automation section and click Edit. Make the necessary updates and save your changes. I hope that helped, and good luck with your Academy!